Hey, it's Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's find of the week. And I'm feeling festive today. Look how cute this little guy is. He's adorable. I just had to share him with you. This is a sisal bunny, so he's made from like grass. And look how cute he is. He stands about, I think he's about 23 inches tall. And he's got his little Easter basket here full of little eggs. And the cool part about him is he comes, there's a set of 3. So because there's a set of 3, here's the other little guy. They look the same, but I'll get back further here in a second so you can see them better, but they come with a little green ribbon. You can see they've got like a little green satin style ribbon. And then there's the little one. We've got all the dimensions up on the website if you want to check it out. But they are the cutest. Let me see if I can get back here further so you can see them. Can you see how cute their little faces are? So again, they're like a grass. They're a sisal. And they come in a set of 3, and they've each got 3 little eggs in their Easter basket. And so you can set, this one is 23 inches tall, so he's pretty big. You can set him at an entryway. You can use him as a tabletop Easter display. You could use them together. You could put one by the entryway and then put the other 2 tabletop, but they're kind of staggered in their height. That's what makes them so cute. And you could still kind of decorate their little baskets and put more things in their little basket, put flowers around them, that kind of thing. Use them for a tablescape. They are just so adorable. I love them. I think they're super cute. So you can decorate with them. Where would you put them? Tell us how you would decorate with them. And with a set of 3, you can keep the largest one for you, and you've got 2 to give as gifts. If you've got kids or daughters and you want to give one away, you can do that. Or if you've got a granddaughter that wants to keep one in her bedroom all year long as part of her decor in her bedroom on a little nightstand, they are just so cute. So anyway, be sure and check out all of our collection of bunnies and rabbits. We're getting ready for spring here at City Farmhouse Antiques. www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques, and go give us a like on Facebook.